Welcome to this video about using AI for product design, and as you can see I already wrote the prompt out, and it is just an interaction between different types of personalities or different types of feedback, and this should improve the design over several steps. For example, if you look up to James Dyson and Dieter Rams, you can include their feedback in the design loop, and then ChatGPT will come with proposals and pretend to also be James Dyson or Dieter Rams and use their general design principles to improve the design, and over several steps or loops it should result in a final product. So let's start the loop, and at the moment ChatGPT is coming up with a design, and then we get feedback from these famous designers, and the system is iterating based on that, and at the end we find a design that conforms both with the design principles of Dieter Rams and also James Dyson. Let's take a look. Okay, so it was a massage tool. You can then ask ChatGPT to summarize the design. Okay, and let's see what we come up with. So as you can see, we get a description. Obviously you can ask to draw it or get more descriptive overviews if needed, but I think it's really cool to see how AIs can use different perspectives to improve their own ideas and to iterate in several steps. So that was a short look at using AI for designing products or services. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching this video.